Do you catch yourself in the mirror and notice you're standing a little more rounded than you used to? Before you blame your age, try these 5 simple exercises. They target the muscles that help you stand taller, breathe easier, and move with more confidence. No gym, no complicated equipment, just 5 gentle exercises you can do seated or standing. And number 1 is the one I never want you to skip. Move slowly, stay within a comfortable range, and if anything causes sharp pain, stop and rest. Let's start with number 5. Exercise number 5, doorway chest opener. Stand in an open doorway. Place your forearms on each side of the door frame, elbows bent about 90 degrees. Step 1 foot forward slowly, letting your chest gently open. Go only as far as feels comfortable. Hold for 2 to 3 seconds. Step back to release. Let's do 8 to 10 repetitions. Why it helps? Years of sitting and looking down at screens tighten the muscles across your chest, and that tightness is what pulls your shoulders forward. This stretch works directly against that pull, opening the front of your body so your shoulders have room to sit back where they belong. Nice work. Now let's move to exercise number 4. This one works on where your head sits, not just your shoulders. Exercise number 4, chin tucks. Sit or stand tall with your shoulders relaxed. Look straight ahead. Gently draw your chin straight back, like you're making a small double chin. Don't look down. Hold for 3 seconds. Slowly release. Let's do 8 to 10 repetitions. Why it helps? When your chest tightens and your shoulders round forward, your head naturally drifts forward too. And that adds real strain to your neck and upper back. Chin tucks retrain your head to sit back over your shoulders, where it's actually meant to be. I know rounding forward can feel like it just happens on its own now. Maybe you've noticed it in photos before you noticed it in the mirror. That's okay. You're doing something about it today. 2 exercises down, 3 to go. Exercise number 3, seated cat-cow. Sit toward the front of a sturdy chair, feet flat on the floor. Rest your hands gently on your thighs. Breathe in as you lift your chest and gently arch your back. Breathe out as you round your upper back and tuck your chin slightly. Let's do 8 repetitions, moving slowly between the 2 positions. Why it helps? This is one of the only posture exercises you can do without ever standing up. It moves your spine through both directions it needs, forward and back, which is exactly what stiff seated posture takes away from you. Beautiful. Now let's wake up the muscles that actually hold your shoulders in place. Exercise number 2, seated shoulder blade squeeze. Sit tall with your arms relaxed at your sides. Keep your shoulders down, away from your ears. Gently draw your shoulder blades back and slightly together. Hold for 3 seconds. Slowly release. Let's do 10 to 12 repetitions. Why it helps? This is the muscle group most people forget about. Stretching the chest and moving the spine matters, but if the muscles between your shoulder blades stay weak, your shoulders will keep drifting forward no matter what. This exercise switches those muscles back on. 1 more exercise to go. And this one brings everything together. Exercise number 1, wall angels. Stand with your back against a wall, feet a few inches away from it. Bring your arms up into a relaxed W position, elbows bent. Rest your elbows and hands against the wall if that's comfortable. Slowly slide your arms upward, only as high as feels controlled. Slowly slide them back down. Let's do 8 to 10 repetitions. Why it helps? Here's why this is number 1. Every exercise we did today, opening the chest, repositioning the head, moving the spine, activating the shoulder blades, comes together in this one movement. The wall gives you instant feedback. If your lower back arches away or your shoulders creep up, you feel it right away. That feedback is what makes this the most complete posture exercise there is. Take a breath. You just did all 5. Here's your quick recap for today. Number 5, doorway chest opener, opening the front of your chest. Number 4, chin tucks, repositioning your head. Number 3, seated cat-cow, moving your spine. Number 2, seated shoulder blade squeeze, activating your upper back. Number 1, wall angels, bringing it all together. Try these exercises every other day. Stay consistent. Posture habits took years to form, so give yourself the same patience while you retrain them. Many people start noticing they're standing a little taller after just a few weeks. And if standing for longer periods has also been feeling shaky lately, my next video walks through 3 gentle balance exercises you can do right next to your chair. That one pairs perfectly with what you did today. If today's video helped you, I'd love for you to subscribe to Fit with Simplicity. Every week I share safe, gentle exercise routines created specifically for women over 60, simple movements that help you stay strong, steady, and independent. Before you go, tell me in the comments, which of today's 5 exercises felt the most challenging for you? I truly love to hear from you. I'm Grace. Thank you so much for spending these few minutes with me. Keep moving gently, stay consistent, and remember, small movements practiced regularly can make a meaningful difference over time. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.